Model Service Society is a non-profit organization based in Dubai, engaged in result-oriented community service for the last 22 years. 2. Labor welfare, social welfare, student empowerment, women empowerment. MSS is licensed by the Community Development Authority under the Government of Dubai. Ideal Man, Ideal Society is the motto that is upheld by a dedicated body of service-minded volunteers, members and associates of the society. The activities of the society are not limited to donation-based philanthropy. MSS has been organising iftar at labour camps at Jebel Ali, Sonapur, Sharjah, Altai and Sharjah since 2013. Corporate sponsors are encouraged to bring their staff to the camp that is served and be a part of the programme. The Society's Social Welfare Wing conducts quarterly blood camps and has recorded 1,000 donors in the last 2 years. Model Service Society's welfare and empowerment programs, approved by the concerned authority, are backed by a panel of experts in finance, law, health, labour welfare, empowerment and career development. MSS's Student Empowerment Programme, with a keen focus on developing reading habits among children, has seen encouraging results. Women empowerment is a core area for the Society, for which it conducts regular programs and workshops covering happy and healthy family initiatives. Career development programs offering project management certification and spoken Arabic classes. Personality development programs focusing on developing skills in leadership, teamwork, innovation, communication and presentation and attitude. For over 2 decades, Model Service Society has been able to passionately serve the community with the benevolent support of the Government of Dubai and the generosity of our sponsors, volunteers and well-wishers.